Now, the home page is a summary, but then there have to be areas where you need to elaborate things a little more. That is where the About Us or the About page comes into picture. Here, you share the vision, mission, and the values of your organization or yourself or your website. It also informs a little more in detail to your website visitors about your organization, the geographical spread, about your team, what are your goals. And this page can also outline your growth journey in the particular sphere why you built your website. You should always specify the value you bring for a client or visitor for being associated with the website, and build that trust through the About Us page or section. It is not necessary that About Us remains just one page. You can also have multiple pages depending upon your specific requirement, like some of the segments which I had highlighted earlier can be added to separate pages under a consolidated menu. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a good day.